Let's get to the final trade of the day with trader Alan Knuckman at bullseyeoption.com. You were spot on to wait a couple of days to see how the market would sort itself out.
Hello, Angie. What a week it was. We said that we know a lot by week's end, and it was better than I thought for the bulls.
Are there any bullish signs in this market that you see now?
We had new lows and a higher weekly close in both the S&P and the NASDAQ. That's a key reversal, a weekly key reversal. We also saw a weekly key reversal top in the VIX. Now, the VIX was at 60 and has dropped to 30. So that's a 50% drop in just a few sessions. And the dollar index was down. So it looks like the markets are moving forward. Monday had a nice boost. And if you can get the S&P up to 55.50, that's the halfway level of the drop from the top. And that brings us right back to where we were before this tariff announcement.
What's your latest plan to profit?
All right, let's talk about today. Today, I'm looking at silver. Silver's down about 10% from its highs just 2 weeks ago. But again, the dollar's down. That's very much a positive for silver. We saw some profit taking. We saw some unwind there. Gold is only down, a percent from the all-time forever top. So the risk reward is on the side of silver. The way to play today is I'm looking at AG. That's First Majestic Silver. AG is a symbol, trading for about 650 or so. So it's been between 5 and 8 for a year. 650 is the midpoint pivot, and we popped above that, which is send it to the range top at 8 with a breakout up above at 11.
What else can you tell us about this silver stock as it trades around $6?
Now, big picture, this has got a lot of money flow into this stock. That's what we look for here. And this is a stock that was, is now 20% off the bottom, but about 20% off the top from last May. And overall, the recent high back in 2021 was up there at $24.
What's your trading plan?
All right, the strategy session. And this is the reason we trade options, people. Limited risk, staying power, and exponential returns when the market moves in your favor. So we're looking at a September option. We can buy plenty of time here. A September $5 call is trading for about $2, and it's about $1.50 in the money. September option has about 6 months of time, so plenty of time to be right. And if this stock can move up to the $9 level, this option gains 100%.
Hi-ho, Ellen. Hope your silver trade shines.
Thank you.